special products, guys, which is from Bettr. Is the actual packaging of the Bettr from top-notch or top-quality ingredients that will help us to achieve a clean, moisturized, beaming, and definitely radiant skin or looking for our skin. And definitely it is a powerful blend of antioxidants, guys. This serum promotes the skin's natural collagen production and repair process. Definitely it is available in 20 ml. This is my favorite product among the rest.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting.
Leaving the skin smooth and refreshed without breaking down the skin's moisture barrier, maintaining your skin's pH level balance at the same time. Clinical studies proves it also hydrates your skin, your dehydrated skin specifically, for about 72 hours.